so super.
I made it out of socks.
Is that a cap?
This is the cap. This is the dress.
That's super. And the boots?
No, I didn't think of that yet. You have to get like solid things and go.
Hello, people.
Is it live?
Yeah, I don't know. I just thought I'll go live and then see who all are free to join in. This is the country that you guys are living in. So if it's in India, what time is it right now? Maybe around 1 in the noon. And maybe it's in the US, it will be midnight. So let's see who all are there. 13 people join in, not bad. Hi Shweta Mishra, Lakhit Priya Gogoi, hello. Hi Susmita Jina, hi Simi Devnath. Okay, please, whoever has joined in, do click on the like button and then share if you care. And today I have a very small collection that I wanted to show you guys. The suit piece that I'm wearing, it comes in unstitched. Okay, so I just stitched one sample for myself and see the fall and actual fabric, the feel of it, so you know how it looks when you stitch it. Some of the colors are here, and then about 40-50 different colors and patterns are with my suppliers. So if you want to see more colors, you can WhatsApp me and I can share it to your WhatsApp. Yeah, you can come and say hi. That's my daughter Arya.
Hello.
She's saying hello to everybody. Hi Neha. Hi Andra.
Amaya.
Okay, so we'll just wait for a few more people. Okay, so the fabric that this particular suit piece is Chanderi. Chanderi is normally silk cotton. So it has silk warp and then cotton weft. And then it has zari stripes here. Then it's all zari. Then the print is hand block print, okay, not a digital print. So all these suit piece materials, they come in 2.5 meters length. So dupatta also 2.5 meters length. Then for kurta and for your bottom wear also, whatever you want to stitch, whether you want to stitch salwar, flare, ya churidar, or I have got this, what do you call this? Pencil cut pants. I think this is a in thing right now. So I just got this pattern made, and then it has a pocket for your phone, so you just keep your phone if you're going to office or work, or you get some change or money and then you don't have to carry anything else. Gargi Vishwas, hi Juliet, hi Deepa Sharma. Okay, so this particular, many of my customers have bought this also, and then they said the actual market price is above 2,000. Some are selling at 2,400, some are selling at 2,600, above 2,000. So my price for from our direct supplier is only 1,450, 1,450 rupees, and shipping cost is extra. Shipping is 100 rupees per suit piece. So shipping is always according to the weight of the material that you will be buying. So the price of this Chanderi suit piece hand block print is 1,450 on discount, okay, on festive discount. So I'll just show you the colors that we have. So the kurta and the dupatta fabric is Chanderi, and the bottom wear will be pure cotton. So this color is, I try to take it from the natural light. So this is red. This is the bottom wear, 2.5 meters. And this is the kurta piece. That's the kurta. It's indigo color. Indigo with a white print. Okay. So that's the kurta. And this is the dupatta. So it has a dual color combination of red with the indigo, and the print is white. It's very bright color because of the red with the indigo contrast color combination. Thank you, Sweta. Thank you. Can I block the one you're wearing? I have to check. I really like the color combination, Gargi. So I just stitched for myself. So I'll check with my supplier if he has more on this combination. I think combination will be there, except the prints might be different. So I stitched this neck and then I just put a brooch over here. Just my style statement. So the first one is indigo with the red combination. So there are many colors. So if you're interested, you can just ping me on WhatsApp, and I'm just showing because some people, some new customers are hesitant to buy online by just looking at the pictures, and they want to see the video. So that's what I thought. I'll just do a live and then demonstrate how the feel of the fabric is and the fall of the fabric is when you touch it. So at least that helps for new customers. For regular who have been shopping online, they are like professional online shoppers, so they just look at a photograph and then they know what the fabric is and etc. So they don't need such live demonstration. Thank you guys. Can you guys go outside in that room and play? Thank you so much.
Dada needs her tablet.
Okay, Dada is watching the tablet. Okay, Dada, you also go and play with Amaya.
She's saying that I'm trying to take the tablet, but
You can watch on the laptop or you can turn on the TV. The next one is black combination, and it's again material, this silk cotton. This is the border portion with a green contrast print. Hi Shiny, I hope you're doing good. I hope you received the sari, the gamusa sari, the red and the white. These are all priced at $14.50. It's a festive offer discount. The regular rate of this is above 2,000 and 2,500 range. So all this you can grab at $14.50 only. Shipping is extra, 100 rupees per suit piece. So second one I'm picking up is black with the white, classic combination. How do you stitch this? You stitch like this. You cut the border and then attach it whatever design or pattern that you want. Just a close up. This material will need lining, okay? It's transparent. This is 2 layer and this is 1 layer, so it's transparent. The one I'm wearing, they have put a lining here. So yes, you will need a lining, but very good for occasion wear or office wear also. I'm not a suit person, but I thought I'll just try one and demonstrate, so it becomes easier for other people who wear suits normally most of the time. This is the salwar or the bottom piece for the black and the white combination. This is pure cotton and hand block printed. It has given a border green also to match with the kurta. Again, all this length is 2.5 meters, and this is the dupatta for the one I just showed. Very pretty dupatta. This is for this kurta, okay? It goes like this. Hi Aditi. Hi Nishu Kapila. Hello. Hi Parvati. Okay. So this one is the second one, black and white. I'll just leave my dupatta somewhere else. It doesn't obstruct. The third one is rust orange, blackish orange with the orange print. Yeah, the print is butterfly. So let's start with the dupatta first. It has this swirls print, and the border print is like that. The salwar for this one is plain yellow color, yellow or orange in between, and this is the kurta piece. Okay, so this is the third piece, and this is open a little bit. Like that. Maybe like this, all butterflies with the border, stitch like that. Okay, this is the third one. Fourth one is shibori. So when we say shibori, it's needlework, tie and dye. You can see needle holes on all the shiboris. What they do is they scrunch it with a thread, with a needle. They tie it with a thread, and then they dye it. So the actual base colors was white. They did the shibori like this, and then dip it into the indigo. When they open the thread, the undyed portions are white and the dyed portions are indigo. So this is shibori. So all the shiboris you will see, whether it's sari or whether it's suit piece or dupatta or scarf or stole, you will see the needlework on shibori. Some of the customers have complained to us earlier that why does it have a needle hole. If it doesn't have a needle hole, then it's not a shibori. That's what I tell. So if you're buying a shibori, please expect needle holes. So you can see all the needle holes here. That's the process. Okay, so genuine shibori will always have a needle hole. So this is very nice combination. Indigo with the white is a classic combination. I think this is a kurta piece, and this is the dupatta. Dupatta has a combination of yellow and indigo, and this is the kurta. Bottom is plain yellow fabric. So all these are priced at $14.50 discounted. Actual price is more than that, around 2,000. So anyone interested, you can ping me, grab a screenshot, and then send it across to my WhatsApp. Let's see. Aditi Dhar, the fabric is silk cotton chanderi silk cotton, and then hand block print or shibori or tie and dye technique. So another black one we have. The print is different than the earlier one. This is the bottom. This is the dupatta. Dupatta has the same pattern as the kurta. So the stripe over here. Then this is the kurta. Like that. This is the black. So when you see, you might think that why the pattern is upside down and the border is such. So the tailor knows how to stitch it. They stitch it on the correct path, and then they cut this border and then stitch it over here. So you don't have to worry about a pattern because the tailor knows it. Shitul Mordhavan, WhatsApp number is already pinned on this live video. Otherwise it's 8700-359-632. That's my WhatsApp number. That's the bottom, and it has this similar pattern, the circles with the dupatta. color. And this is elephant gray, dark gray, not black. This is a plain cotton bottom, and we have black with a gray dual combination. This is the dupatta. Very, very classy for office wear, very subtle. Someone wants to look very sober and sophisticated. This is the color. I think I might just get this color stitch as well. I really love this color. Anything gray and blue is my favorite. So maybe look from this side. This is the kurta, like that. It's a dark gray, okay, elephant gray. And this is the dupatta. So you can see this body portion of the dupatta has a light gray, and then it transitions into a darker gray, like that. Maybe from far, yeah, you can see the darker portion here. Then this is the bottom. Bottom is the light. That's the fifth one. Hi Archana. Hi Avanti. Avanti, are you alone or Nivedita is with you? She was telling me the other day, Nivedita, she was watching the Facebook live with you. I think she doesn't have her Facebook account or something. I hope you're doing fine. Hi Smita. Who is this? Krishna Kali. Hello Krishna Kali. Welcome. Okay, I don't remember the count. This is the sixth one. Maroon, deep maroon. That's the bottom. White or creamish color with the black and block printing. Hello. Keep clicking the heart buttons. It doesn't cost anything. If you're watching, you already spent time on this video, right? So just keep clicking the hearts or the likes or the thumbs up. So at least I will also get some energy from your end. Okay, so that's the dupatta. It has this print with the zari border here. And Krishna Kali is asking PP, it's discounted rate 1450, only 1450 rupees. Shipping will be 100 for each of the suit piece. Actual price at the market price is above 2000. These are sold at 2400 as well. So this is your opportunity to grab it at the lowest price. Okay, that's the maroon border, like that. This is the sixth one. The bottom is color is matching with the dupatta. Again another maroon. The print is different. The print is a little bigger leaf in this one. It's the bottom. It has border. Then this is the dupatta. Like that. And this is the kurta. It's maroon color and the pattern is leaf with a zari border. These are all Chanderi. Chanderi is silk cotton fabric. Fabric is pure cotton. Shitul, these are not pure cotton. These are silk cotton Chanderi, which has a shine with the zari border. We do have pure cottons also. You can WhatsApp me. I have given the WhatsApp number, and then I will just display one of the cotton, pure cotton that I stitched for myself. I love the fabric of the pure cotton as well. Very, very soft and very comfortable. I think this is magenta because I'm wearing pink, and this is a little darker, reddish, yeah, reddish pink or magenta. It's a contrast combination with the green. That's the bottom. Bottoms are pure cotton. This is again very unusual, uncommon combination. Wear it this way. That's the combination. Tushti Laha. It's not a silver pendant, it's just a brooch pin that you wear for saris or on top of a blazer or a jacket. I just put it here. I keep experimenting things. Whatever is lying down, I just put it anywhere, and then it becomes a style statement. Krishna Kali is any ajrak print. You can WhatsApp me. I have lots and lots of ajrak print suit piece as well, but those are not ready right now to show it on this live video. But I can share the pictures that our suppliers has. This is the cotton, pure cotton bottom for this yellow. Yellow, we have two colors here. This is a floral print, and this is like the paisley motif. Yeah, that's the beige color. Is it from Shaya? No, it's not from Shaya. It's not from Shaya. I don't remember. I ordered bulk when my sister was in China. She stayed there for 1 year, so I ordered lots and lots of brooch from there because that was very cheap. This came about 95 rupees or something. Like I ordered about 10-20 pieces back then, 3-4 years ago. And that's the suit piece. Kurta piece. I think it's the opposite. That's the yellow, and that's dupatta. Dupatta will have a stripe of yellow here, and this is off-white. Thank you Tushti. Thank you for noticing the small details and keeping me engaged. This is the cotton. This is the dupatta. Any one of you who just joined in and then who is wondering what am I trying to sell, I'm just trying to demonstrate the suit piece that I'm wearing right now. It's Chanderi, pure Chanderi silk cotton block print from Rajasthan, and this comes unstitched. The price is only 1,450 rupees, 1,450, whereas the market price is above 2,000 rupees. Anywhere else you will find it above 2,000 rupees. The material is premium quality, and that's the suit piece. Kurta. That's a yellow, all flowers and leaves, and that's the dupatta. Somebody was asking for pure cotton. Pure cotton comes, and this is the chiffon dupatta. I just got one stitched. I might just tried it on because I really love the fit of this. I got a plain kurta stitch for myself and a pencil pants. I love this material, very soft. Kurta is also very soft. So those of you who are interested to see the pure cotton cotton suit pieces, you can WhatsApp me. I'll share the available colors with the chiffon dupattas. These are priced at 900 to 1100 range only. 900 to 1100 range, unstitched suit piece. Okay, 3-piece set. So that's about the suit piece collection that I wanted to show. And then I'll just put up this recording, so if any one of you is watching later on after this live is finished, you can just WhatsApp me, and then I'll be putting this video up on our YouTube channel as well. So maybe any one of you is trying to locate where did the video went, you can find all the videos on our YouTube channel. Hi Neha Tyagi. Hi Shweta. Hi Shital. Okay, again. So I love this material. I think I'll stay wearing the cotton piece only. Since morning I have been wearing it because this was so comfortable, and then I didn't feel like removing it. I love the fall of the chiffon dupattas. I have few more saris that I wanted to show. Maybe I'll do a live a little later, around 5-6 o'clock. I have Orissa weaves, and then I have Banarasi saris, Banarasi silk saris, and then I have Bengal saris and Gotapati saris. Yeah, I didn't show you guys Gotapati saris. Maybe these ones I'll show in the evening later. So these are all handwork with the border, and this is 3 colors. So I'll do a separate live for only saris today evening. So till then, take care, and all of you have a good time. Bye bye.